Today, we will walk through a complete blackhead removal and deep pore cleansing process. This step-by-step guide focuses on safety, hygiene, and skin health. Blackheads are caused by clogged pores filled with excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities. Proper cleaning helps improve skin texture, clarity, and overall appearance. Step 1. Prepare the skin. Begin by gently tying back the hair to keep the face clear. Clean hands thoroughly using soap and warm water. This is a very important step to prevent bacteria transfer. Always start with a clean, calm environment to protect the skin. Step 2. Gentle face cleansing. Use a mild facial cleanser suitable for the skin type. Massage the cleanser onto the face in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. This removes surface dirt, makeup, sweat, and excess oil. Rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry using a soft towel. Step 3. Steaming the face. Facial steaming helps open pores and soften blackheads, making extraction easier and safer. Lean the face over a bowl of warm steam for 5 to 8 minutes. Keep a safe distance to avoid burns. Relax and breathe slowly during this process. Step 4. Skin assessment. After steaming, carefully observe the skin. Identify areas with visible blackheads, commonly on the nose, chin, cheeks, and forehead. Do not rush. Proper assessment helps avoid unnecessary pressure on sensitive areas. Step 5. Apply antiseptic solution. Lightly apply an antiseptic or alcohol-free toner to the targeted areas. This step reduces bacteria and lowers the risk of infection during extraction. Step 6. Use proper tools. If using a blackhead extractor, ensure it is clean and sterilized. Never use sharp objects or nails. Position the loop gently over the blackhead and apply light, even pressure. If the blackhead does not come out easily, stop and move on. Forcing can damage the skin. Step 7. Manual extraction, optional. If using fingers, wrap them with clean tissue or cotton pads. Press gently from both sides of the blackhead. Only extract softened blackheads. Avoid red, inflamed, or painful areas to prevent scarring. Step 8. Clean the area again. After extraction, gently cleanse the treated area with a mild cleanser or soothing toner. This removes residue and keeps pores clean. Step 9. Cold water rinse. Rinse the face with cool or cold water. This helps close the pores and calm the skin. Pat dry gently, never rub. Step 10. Apply soothing mask. Apply a calming face mask such as aloe vera, clay, or green tea mask. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. This step reduces redness, tightens pores, and hydrates the skin. Step 11. Moisturize the skin. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Massage gently until fully absorbed. Hydration is essential even for oily or acne-prone skin. Step 12. Post-care protection. Avoid touching the face unnecessarily after treatment. Do not apply makeup for at least 12 hours. If going outside, use a gentle sunscreen to protect sensitive skin. Step 13. Maintain skin hygiene to prevent future blackheads. Cleanse the face twice daily, exfoliate once or twice a week, and avoid heavy, pore-clogging products. Consistency is key to clear skin. Step 14. Skin relaxation pause. Allow the skin to rest for a few moments after initial cleansing. This short pause helps reduce sensitivity and prepares the skin for deeper treatment. Step 15. Re-steaming, optional. If blackheads are deep or stubborn, apply light steam again for 2 to 3 minutes. This keeps pores open and softens hardened sebum. Step 16. Apply pre-extraction gel. Use a pore softening or desincrustation gel on blackhead-prone areas. Massage gently and let it sit for a few minutes to loosen clogged debris. Step 17. Target area isolation. Focus only on one small area at a time, such as the nose or chin. This improves control and reduces stress on surrounding skin. Step 18. Tool positioning. Place the extractor loop carefully over the center of the blackhead. Ensure even contact with the skin surface. Step 20. Wipe and sanitize. Immediately wipe extracted material with clean cotton. Resanitize the tool before moving to the next pore. Step 21. Observe skin reaction. Watch for redness or irritation. If the skin reacts strongly, pause and soothe before continuing. Step 22. Switch to manual method if needed. For very small blackheads, use wrapped fingertips with gentle inward pressure. Step 23. Avoid over-dash extraction. Do not attempt to clear every pore in one session. Overworking the skin causes inflammation. Step 24. Apply cooling toner. Lightly apply a calming toner to reduce redness and rebalance the skin. Step 25. Pore tightening massage. Massage upward with light pressure to stimulate circulation and help pores return to normal size. Step 26. Antibacterial mist application. Use a mild antibacterial or herbal mist to protect freshly cleaned pores. Step 27. Clay mask layer. Apply a thin layer of clay or charcoal mask on treated areas. This absorbs remaining oil and impurities. Step 29. Gentle mask removal. Remove the mask using lukewarm water and soft circular motions. Step 30. Cold splash therapy. Splash cold water on the face to close pores and refresh the skin. Step 31. Healing serum application. Apply a soothing serum containing aloe vera, centella, or niacinamide. Step 32. Light facial massage. Massage gently to help product absorption and improve blood flow. Step 33. Non-comedogenic moisturizer. Seal hydration with a lightweight moisturizer suitable for acne-prone skin. Step 34. Eye area care. Apply a small amount of eye cream to avoid dryness around the eyes. Step 35. Skin barrier protection. Ensure the skin feels calm, hydrated, and balanced. No tightness or burning. Step 36. Avoid heat and sweat. Stay away from heat, exercise, or steam for at least 6 to 8 hours. Step 37. No touch rule. Do not touch or pick at treated areas to prevent bacteria transfer. Step 38. Makeup break. Avoid makeup for at least 12 to 24 hours to let pores recover naturally. Step 39. Night care routine. Day to night. Cleanse gently and apply a calming night gel or moisturizer. Step 40. Long-term maintenance advice. Maintain results with regular cleansing, weekly exfoliation, and proper hydration. Consistency prevents future blackheads. Step 41. Skin recovery observation. Carefully observe the skin for any redness, swelling, or sensitivity. Healthy skin should feel calm and comfortable after treatment. Step 42. Apply repair essence. Use a lightweight repair essence with soothing ingredients to support skin healing and strengthen the skin barrier. Step 43. Gentle pressing technique. Press products into the skin using clean fingertips instead of rubbing. This minimizes irritation and improves absorption. Step 44. Anti-inflammatory layer. Apply a product containing calming agents such as chamomile or green tea to reduce microinflammation. Step 45. Hydration boost step. Mist the face with a hydrating spray to restore moisture balance after deep cleansing. Step 46. Seal with protective cream. Use a thin layer of protective cream to lock in hydration and shield the skin from environmental stress. Step 47. Lip area care. Apply lip balm to prevent dryness caused by steam and cleansing steps. Step 48. Neck and jawline care. Extend skincare products to the neck and jawline for even tone and complete care. Step 49. Sun protection awareness. If the treatment is done during the day, apply a gentle, non-comedogenic sunscreen before going outside. Step 50. Avoid active ingredients. Avoid strong actives like retinol or acids for 24 to 48 hours to prevent irritation. Step 51. Clean and store tools. Thoroughly clean and disinfect all tools used during the procedure and store them safely. Step 52. Hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water to support skin detoxification and recovery. Step 53. Avoid picking habit. Resist the urge to pick or squeeze pores after treatment to prevent scars. Step 54. Balanced diet reminder. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables to support skin health. Step 55. Weekly routine planning. Plan a gentle exfoliation routine once or twice a week to keep pores clear. Step 56. Monitor skin changes. Track improvements or reactions over the next few days to adjust future treatments. Step 57. Professional consultation advice. If blackheads persist or worsen, seek advice from a certified dermatologist. Step 58. Consistency message. Understand that clear skin is achieved through regular care, not aggressive treatment. Step 59. Skin respect principle. Treat the skin gently and patiently to maintain long-term health and balance. Step 60. Final reassurance and closing. Conclude the session by reminding that proper hygiene, gentle care, and consistency are the foundation of healthy, blackhead-free skin. Blackhead removal should always be gentle, hygienic, and patient. Healthy skin is not achieved in one day. It is the result of regular care and mindful practices. Treat your skin with respect, and it will reward you with a clearer, smoother appearance.